Guys, check this one. I have copyright match, copyright issues. So guys, now I can change the music or the audio if we have copyright. So check on your profile as well if you have need to review like this. It means you have the copyright and you need to change the audio. So check this, guys. Guys, all you need to do, guys, you go to your Reels video. So if you are on your Reels video, so as you can see in the middle, they have save video, like and needs to review. So on the other side also you have the list of the reels that you have or the video. So guys, click on the need to review. So click on the need to review. So as you can see, I have copyright. The audio in this reels is unavailable due to music rights. Change, you can replace the audio in this reels with new track. So it means I'm allowed to change the audio of this video. So what I need to do is replace the audio of the video, guys, and click the three dot right side in front of you, and then replace audio. Click on the replace audio. Then after that, you can choose the music as you like. Now already changed the audio, guys. So same like what I did, you can do also at your reels. You can check if they have some need to review and check this out, and you can change the audio immediately. So guys, if you like my video for today, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Hello guys, what's up? To those are new content creator, this video is for you, because a lot of new content creator, they don't understand what is the performance of our dashboard, why it's green and why it is red. So one of our sister asked me, my dashboard is full of red, what happened? And I don't know. So that's her message to me. So guys, I will give you a quick explanation about this. So guys, as you can see, sister engagement is green because the view of sister is higher. The last 28 days view is higher than the previous 28 days. So it means higher 26%. So it means green up the dashboard. So the earning is 7% negative below. It's red because the previous is higher than the last 28 days. So you need to take note on that, why it's coming red and why it's coming green. Because one explanation is your previous 28 days is higher and your last 28 days is lower, so it happened. So that's why your dashboard is red and sometimes is green. If it's green, it means you achieved the last 28 days higher than the previous one. So guys, I hope you understand. Please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.
Guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos and click the bell button, so that you're updated for my latest videos. Thanks for your support. God bless and have a great day.